You guys want to know an easy way to watch Netflix, YouTube, or any other app inside one of your newer vehicles? Stay tuned, I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here is the product that's going to make all the magic happen. This is a Carplay AI box. This is a full Android system right here. Go ahead and flip it to the back side here so you guys can see all of the features. It's going to offer wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, navigation, Bluetooth music of course, built-in GPS. You can put a SD card in here, and you also can put a 4G SIM card in here if you don't want to run it off the hotspot on your phone. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of ROM. It's going to be running Snapdragon 4-core system at 2.0 gigahertz. So pretty much this shouldn't have a problem running any apps, streaming any type of Netflix, YouTube. I've been using this for the past 3 weeks now, and I haven't had one hiccup from this at all. All right, so this is what the box is actually going to look like. As you guys can see, not very big at all. You got 2 LED lights right on the front there. That's going to let you know when this is powered on and that it's connected. On the back, you got your USB-C. You got a place for an micro SD card, and then you got a place for your SIM card. Along with this, you're going to get USB-A to USB-C cord. Then they're also going to provide you with another cord that's USB-C to USB-C. Obviously on the back of this is USB-C, as you guys can see there. So you're going to run USB-C to this, and then whatever your vehicle has, whether it's running USB-A for your wired Android Auto or USB-C. So it's nice that they give you both cords there. And of course, you're going to get your user manual. So pretty easy to set this up, guys. First of all, your vehicle's got to have wired Android Auto or CarPlay. So currently, my vehicle has wired Android Auto. It does not have wireless. So every time I jump into my vehicle, I got to plug my phone in, and that's the only way I can access Android Auto. With this now installed, I can access Android Auto wirelessly, and then I also have accessibility to YouTube, Netflix, and any other apps that I want to download from the Play Store. So let's go ahead and install this, and I'll show you how easy it is. Alright guys, so I'm in my Dodge Ram right now. Like I said earlier, this does have wired Android Auto, so that's where I would plug in my phone. Right now I have the USB-A plugged in to the box, as you guys can see there. It's got the 2 LEDs to let me know that this is working, and that's it for this. All you do is pretty much stash that away somewhere, and then the rest is just going to be hooking up your phone to this. So as you guys can see there, I already got my phone hooked up, but the first thing you're going to see on the screen is warning. Please drive your car accordingly to safe traffic regulations. Of course, they don't want you to be using this and viewing Netflix or YouTube while you're driving. So I'm going to go ahead, don't show me that. All right, so when you turn your vehicle on, this is what it's going to look like after you got your phone set up. As you guys can see in that corner there, you got Bluetooth, and then you got Wi-Fi. That's going to light up once your phone is connected. Usually it's pretty quick once you go into the settings right there, and then you make sure that everything, you got your network, internet right there. So as you guys can see, right now it's connected to my Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. It's real easy to do. Just go into the settings to connect it. You got this floating button right here. When you touch the screen, that's going to be just a shortcut to be able to get back to the home screen, to back out. So this is what the interface is going to look like right here. So as you guys can see, got a Chrome. Your auto kit is going to be used to go to CarPlay. So if I click into that, it's going to go into wireless CarPlay, because remember, my vehicle only had wired CarPlay. So right now it's connecting the AutoKit T-Box Mini, and there is my Android Auto. Just like any normal vehicle, got all your apps there. You got your maps, Spotify, Pandora, your phone. So pretty nice setup there. Just typical Android Auto. The main reason I got it was to be able to, I'm going to exit out of this, go back to the main interface. So the main reason I got this is for YouTube and Netflix, but you can go ahead and go into your Play Store and you can download whatever app you want. You want TikTok, Snapchat, you can download any app. It's the same thing as like on your phone. You can go into your Google Chrome here. You can browse the internet, type in whatever you want. Of course, like I said, that you're going to be doing this while you're parked, not driving. Go back into YouTube here. Go ahead, click right into my channel. And there you go. There's my channel for YouTube. As you guys can see, real responsive as far as the screen is. And the streaming quality is going to be dependent on how strong your signal is. I got another Carplay product to show you guys, so let's just get right into it. So that's my channel streaming there. Alright guys, so I got everything out of the box. And if I want to get out of here, just go ahead, click out of there. You can go through any one of my videos. If you want to go back to the home screen, you just go ahead, hit this floating button here, and now you're back to the home screen. Go ahead, check out some Netflix here. Everything's been loading really, really nice on this. Go ahead and click into my account. And there you go, there's Netflix. You want to watch a movie or something while you're sitting around waiting for somebody. Go ahead and click into one of these. But there you go. You guys can see, really smooth, responsive, no issues at all. Go ahead, back out of that, go back to the home. You got your Waze down here if you want to use Waze for GPS, Spotify. And then, like I said, you can go into your Play Store and pretty much just download whatever you want to this. There's your Play Store. Everything loads real nice. So we'll go back home. Here's another cool thing. Right now I'm playing a video on YouTube. This is my video here. You can click this button here, and it's going to allow you to pull up another app. So say I want to pull up Google Chrome. It's going to do split screen right there. So pretty cool. It's multitasking. I'm watching my video over here, and I can do a search on this side. Want to get out of here? Let's go ahead, click that again, and it goes back to full screen. You also can use the shortcut, and you can use the microphone that's up there in the corner. Tell me a joke.
When a frog's car breaks, it gets towed.
So there you go. That works pretty good. All right, guys, so that's just some of the features for this Android system. Like I said earlier, you can just go into the Google Play Store and download whatever app that you want to use on it. But that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash that like button. I'll make sure I put links in the description box below if you want to pick one of these up or learn more about it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I'll talk to you later.